Welcome back to NodeXpert. Today we're exploring Hivello Node, a platform that lets you earn passive income by sharing your computer's unused resources. No expensive hardware or blockchain expertise needed. Let's dive in. What is Hivello? Hivello is an all-in-one decentralized physical infrastructure network manager. It connects your unused computing resources to various DePIN projects, allowing you to earn tokens effortlessly. Think of it as turning your idle computer power into a passive income stream. Now, let's see how to get started. I will leave Hivello official link down in the description. So, we have to download the node. Yeah, it's available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. I'm using Windows, so I will click on Hivello for Windows. It will keep on downloading. I have already installed it, so no need. Um, it's simple. You will just follow the normal sign up process. You will get an email, verification email. Just approve it, and it will be running. It will only take about 4 to 5 minutes. After downloading it and signing up, it will be here on the taskbar. Click on Hivello node, and this is the overview of it. So it's running right now and have collected over the last week 1,100 plus points and around 3 cents of USDT. And this is it's not the value of the points, it's the value of the coins you have mined. So you could go to the networks, and here is all of the coins I could earn simultaneously. There are around 8, but because of my PC is somehow weak, I could only run 2. I'm mining iOS coin and Filecoin station, which I have got this amount from it. You could go to the dashboard. Here's the dashboard. Uh, Here is some information. My uptime, my total uptime, network uptime is 9 days, and the streak is 2 days. Is the coins I could run simultaneously, and you could earn more by referring. You could add more devices to the same account, and still the because it's in early stage, there's no transactions or withdraw, but they are coming soon. Your earnings depend on factors like the amount of resources you share and the specific DePIN projects you support. Hivello's native token is at the heart of its ecosystem, offering users an opportunity to earn passive income through its desktop application. Why choose Hivello? Hivello is designed for everyone, no blockchain experience necessary. Start earning without any initial investment in hardware. Connect to various DePIN projects simultaneously through a single dashboard. Hivello offers a seamless way to participate in decentralized networks and earn passive income. If you're looking to leverage your unused computer resources, give Hivello a try. For more information and to download the app, visit the link provided down in the description. A quick note: ensure your computer meets the necessary system requirements before installation, like to run more projects, DePIN projects. Yeah, you need a higher performance laptop or computer. For example, I could only run 2 because my computer laptop specs is very low. So to run more, you need a stronger PC or a laptop. Thanks for watching this deep dive into Hivello. We explored its key features and how it stands out in the world of DePIN. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. I would love to hear your take on it. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring with NodeXpert.